We're doing it on Omega. Okay, this is episode 351. DRYTRON versus Sky Striker. Here we go. I'm just gonna let this play because it has Mystic Mine and it took a while. I think I could have got rid of his Mystic Mine, but I don't know. Oh crap. A lot of turn passing here. I thought he was gonna deck out, or one of us was. I'm gonna pause it, but I think I could have missed, or I could have did Nightmare Phoenix. I thought I was gonna activate Area 0, but no. And I don't even have any back row removal in the main deck. Right here. Alright, let's go back one. What happened? Right here. I could have. Oh no, I couldn't. What am I doing? I thought I had. Thought I had IP Masquerena, but no, there was no way. Right here. Okay, wait. Hold on here. Where? Okay. Right here, I could have actually did IP Masquerena for Nightmare Unicorn or something. Yeah, I could have Nightmare Unicorn him right here. Damn it. Right before the battle, right here, I could have Nightmare Unicorn. God dang it. Yeah, I went for the access code. There goes my IP Masquerena. I think, yeah, I got rid of the Mystic Mine, but it was too late. Access code. Dang. Part 2. I did side in some back row removal this time. Predaplant. nib, but I Dragoon negate, setting a twin twister. Dark ruler no more. What? Just when you think it was all good. Oh, I didn't get Mystic Mine again. That was good. Foolish. He did goods, and the Dragoon. I know it's negated, but I wanted the Eva in there. Goods with heavy metal foes. Thought I had two, but I only had one for Eva. It's kind of afterburners Dragoon, and since he had 3 or more, I was able to pop the twin twister. God dang it. Rose Kagari, Gauge, multi-roll, Air Zero, Ayate, Destroy, and then Rose effect. Air Zero, and Shark Cannon, Shizuku set, multi-roll, setting, Widowanker and Shark Cannon, Shizuku, Hornitrons, Diviners, and a Widowanker. Foolish. For Alpha, Shark Cannon the Alpha. Wow. Multi-roll. Dang. Anchor, he took it. That's a tuner. He went for the Alki-Fibrax, Effect Veiler, Celine, Effect, Access Code, Ornitrons. Is that in defense? Oh yeah, okay. And then he went for Kagari, and this was game over right here. Oh! Oh! I was able to copy his deck list. You go like this, and then you export. Where's export? Go to decks. Oh no. You go to decks and you're able to select. You name it. I put SS for Sky Striker. And let's check it out. So it was SS. This one right here. This was his deck. It's got 3 Ray, Ray, 2 Rose, 3 Ash, 2 Effect Veiler, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3 Talents, 1, 1, 1, 3 Shark Cannon, 3 Widowanker, 1 multi-roll, 1 Mystic Mine, thank god, 2 Field, 1 Evenly, 3 in Perm, 1 Zeus, Access Code Celine, Alki-Fibrax, 3, 1, 3, 3 Nib, 3 Wind Kaiju, 1 Pank, 3 Droll, 3 Dark Ruler, and the other 2 evenly matched. We went from, where were we again? I was gold, I think it was 15, let's check here. 1505 to 1491, still at 178, yeah. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.